Good afternoon, everybody. Jayson with MarineMax Clearwater. I'll bring you another awesome review. Quick video of a 285 Conquest 2019 for Boston Whaler. You can see here we got a white boat with black graphics. We just unwrapped this boat. We're really excited about it. It's got the new and improved 250 Verados. 285 Conquest is a really popular boat for us. A 9.6 beam, 20-degree dead rise on this boat. This excellent cockpit here. 200 gallons of fuel on this guy. Give you plenty of long distance cruising. So here we're going to have our pull-out vantage seat. We'll also have a pull-out bench seat on the port side of the boat. And we left your long rod storage here on the starboard side. See the tow rails there will run the length of the cockpit on both sides. Two massive fish boxes in the sole of the boat. And here we'll have our bilge. Perfectly located bait well here. And you can see up here, the team has just rigged this boat. We have a rollout sure shade here that will give you plenty of sun coverage on the back of the boat. We also have our weather canvas up. Plenty of storage running here. A nice pull-out step here for this seat. You can adjust this seat back. Have a place for your feet, sit, watch your lines. Refrigeration. You also have a freshwater basin with a pull-out sprayer there as well. Let's slip past this weather canvas here. A really nice port side lounger. We can remove the filler cushion here, and you'll have an aft-facing lounger and a forward-facing seat. Perfectly positioned grab handle for your guest on board, and a really nice helm station here. Compass is perfectly center lined with your captain seat. LED lit toggle switches so you know what's activated and what isn't. You'll see the vessel view here. It's going to be your digital engine readout, stereo system, spotlight controls, and our trib tab, which are also LED lit indicated. Perfectly positioned throttles for those 250 Verados back there. The captain seat is extremely comfortable. Armrest, flip up, flip down armrest. You also have a flip up bolster here. If you like to stand when you're running a boat, it makes for an excellent leaning post if you get that up and out of the way. Got to have your cup holders. Really nice fiddled compartment here to keep your keys and phones and things of that nature. And you also have a 12-volt charger here if you need to plug in your smart gadgets. Actuated vent here to allow some fresh air to push through the boat. Boston Whaler uses JL audio speakers on their boats. They are fantastic. The system on this boat is extremely loud. As you enter the cabin here, you'll see some more JL audio speakers forward. This table here will drop down for us. We'll pull these cushions over to create our island berth. Port side galley, microwave, single stove burner, pull out freshwater basin there. You got a pull out sprayer, more refrigeration, garbage down in there, and some more storage. And then as we enter the boat, you'll see a stand-up head. I'm 6'1", I fit in there just fine. Sprayer will pull out and mount to the bulkhead here. Take a shower. Vacuum flush head with overboard discharge. See forward, we have a push button windlass anchor as well. The boat's extremely well equipped. If you have any questions about the 285 Conquest, please feel free to shoot the team a call here at the Clearwater showroom, 727-536-2628. If you'd like to reach me personally, you can reach me in the showroom as well. Just ask for Jayson, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the Clearwater showroom. Have a great day.